Hi friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel यूपीएससी मंच। आप सभी का स्वागत है। और मैं जो भी यहाँ पे वीडियोस डालता हूँ, जो भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, उन्होंने जो भी इम्प्लीमेंट किया और क्वालिफाई हुए, उनके सजेशन पे ही वीडियोस लाता हूँ। और जो उन्होंने सबसे क्रक्स चीज़ जो बताई मुझे, वो बताया कि जो PYQ है कैसे हेल्प करता है पूरी प्रिपरेशन में, सक्सेस होने में। तो इसी में जो सीरीज़ चल रही है, आज हम टॉपिक लेंगे पंचायती राज। 2013 से लेकर 2022 तक के जितने भी प्रश्न अभी तक आए हैं पंचायती राज से रिलेटेड प्रीलिम्स में, सो वन बाय वन वी विल डिस्कस। Okay, so whatever we are discussing here, it is hard work of the people, those who are clear prelims as well mains and interviews. So all of my friends suggestion, this series is going on. So in this continuation, today we will doing Panchayati Raj from 2013 to 2022. The first question is 2022 से ही है, with reference to the Indian polity, consider the following statements. First, Panchayat can be established in the state by an act of respective state legislature. Second option, the election to the panchayats are conducted by the state election commission. So the which of the above statement is or are correct? So first option is A only one, B two only, C both one and two, D neither one nor two. So the right answer is option C, both one and two. So let us explanation is given there. You can easily see the explanation here. The explanation given there is that is Panchayati Raj established by State Legislative Act, Article 243B. Okay, so the right answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Next question, it is from 2021 prelims. Which of the following correct about the feature of the Panchayati Raj system in India? First option, Panchayati Raj is a constitutional mandate. Second, Gram Sabha is foundation of Panchayati Raj system. Third, state legislature have the discretion to devolve powers and responsibility to panchayats. Select the correct answer using the code given below. First option 1 and 2 only, option B 2 only, option C 1, 2 and 3, option D 3 only. Answer is option C 1, 2 and 3 are all the options are correct, 1, 2 and 3. You can see the explanation here. Panchayati is constitutionally amended. 73rd amendment, Gram Sabha is its foundation, article 243A. Next question, which of the following constitutional amendment explicitly provide for the establishment of Panchayati Raj? Option A 42 Amendment Act, 44 Amendment Act, C 73 Amendment Act, D 86 Amendment Act. So the right answer is option C, 73rd Amendment Act 1992, added in part 9 to the constitution, providing for the establishment of Panchayati Raj institutions. Next question, which of the following statement regarding the Panchayati Raj system in India are correct? 1. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act provides for a three-tier system of Panchayati Raj in all states. Second option, The act allows state with a population of less than 20 lakh to establish a two-tier system instead of three-tier system. Select the correct option using the code given below. First option, one only. Second option, B, two only. C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So the right answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2. Next question. Consider the following statement. This question is from 2018. The question is, first option is Constitution of India recognizes the Gram Sabha as permanent body. Second, the Gram Sabha is the foundation of Panchayati Raj system. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. D, neither 1 nor 2. So the right answer is option C, and here is the explanation. The Gram Sabha is a permanent body, Article 43 to 43A, and it is the foundation of Panchayati Raj system. Next question. In the context of Panchayati Raj in India, consider the following statement. Panchayati Raj was constitutionally amended by the 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. Second, the chairperson of Panchayati shall be elected in a manner prescribed by the law of the state. Which of the statement given above is are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So right answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Explanation is given there. Here, the 73rd Amendment Act made Panchayati Raj constitutionally amended, and the election of the chairperson is also given there. Now the question from prelims 2016. Which one of the following stated does not have a Panchayati Raj institution? 1. Nagaland. B. Mizoram. C. Meghalaya. And the next is Manipur. So the right answer is option A, Nagaland. Nagaland doesn't have a Panchayati Raj system due to the special provision under Article 370A. Next question. It is UPSC prelims from 2015. Which of the following is true about the provision of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992? It's provide for the reservation of seats for SC and ST in panchayats. Second, it provides for the reservation of 1/3 of total number of seats for women. So the right answer is option C. Both are the correct answer. बिकॉज जैसे कि जो 73वां जो संविधान संशोधन था उसमें जो एसटी और एसटीज़ थे उनके लिए सीटें रिज़र्व की गई थी, और जो महिलाएं थी उनके लिए 1/3 सीट रिज़र्व की गई थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. It is UPSC prelims from 2014. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 aim at promoting which of the following? Yes. First one is democratic decentralization. Second, effective administration. Third, social justice. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 2 only. Option C, 1, 2 and 3. Option D, 2 and 3 only. So the right answer is option C, 1, 2 and 3. All options are correct. So here the explanation is the 73rd Amendment promotes democratic decentralization, effective administration, and social justice. Next question. The 73rd Amendment Act provides for the establishment of which of the following? Option A three-tier system of Panchayati Raj in every state. Option B, district planning committee in every state. C, metropolitan planning committees. Option D, Nyay Panchayats. So the right answer is option A, a three-tier system of panchayats in every state. Here is explanation is given there. The 73rd Amendment provides for a three-tier system of Panchayati Raj at village, intermediate and district level. थैंक यू। तो हमने ये डिस्कशन किया कि जो पंचायती राज सिस्टम व्यवस्था लागू हुई थी 73वें संविधान संशोधन 1992 में, और ये 93 में लागू हुआ था। तो ये एक आपको ओवरऑल आइडिया देता है कि किस तरह से क्वेश्चन अगर फ्रेम होंगे तो यहाँ से आ सकते हैं। और मेरे जो भी दोस्त सेलेक्ट हुए हैं वो इसके बारे में बताते हैं। मी ऑल्सो क्लियर द एग्ज़ाम prelims as well as mains, so I have idea about that. तो आप just keep revising the PYQ and just analyze what type of question they are asking from the particular topic. So need to stick और hard work, be curious and पढ़ते रहो बस मस्ती में। And thank you. Please subscribe my channel and support me, and please leave a comment about what things you like most and what type of video you want in future. So thank you so much again, and don't forget to subscribe my channel UPSC Munch.